Respected faculty members of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Today we have missed both the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor because they have some prior engagement in Shillong. My dear students, and ladies and gentlemen, at the very outset, I would like to express my deep gratitude to the authority of USTM for inviting me to pay my rich tribute to legend of Indian music, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. We are now here in Meghalaya. Just 200 meters beyond, it is Assam. It is just near the boundary. What's the difference? We share, both the Meghalaya and Assam share the same sky, the same clouds, the same rains, and the whole ecosystem that engulfs us is all the same. And Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, he always reminds us about that we are sharing the same sky. The sky is nobody's monopoly. One cannot say this part of sky belongs to me and that part of sky belongs to you. No. We may be politically divided, but emotionally, naturally, we are not divided. You must have noticed his metaphors. Like, he said, Nedekha ena jorire bandhu ami pahar shikhorore mohan siemok. Nedekha ena jori. Unseen bonding we have. And we share a common history with all the northeastern states. With Nagaland, with Arunachal, with Meghalaya. With all the states we share a common history. May I now request Jadav Talukdar to sing a song for you written by Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Ehe Dhole Dogore.
He dhole dogore, he hiyaru mere, ne dekhaye na jori re, he bandhu ami par shikhorore, mohan chiemok, he cherapunji re, he bhija akashore, হুদার মেঘে জেনে দরে হাবতী ধরে বাড়ি খারু বানে আমার লুইতক হে ধুলে দগরে.
He said, He Serapunjire, Udar Meghe Jene Dore, Haboti Dhore Barikha Rupere, Amar Luitok. His use of his word, selection of his word is very clear. Udar Meghe Jene Dore. Clouds are generous, clouds are liberal. Clouds never discriminate. Let's change the word. Udar, let's replace it with some other word. Let us put kola. Kola meghe jene dore, haboti dhore barikha rupere. He sera punjire, kola meghe jene dore, haboti dhore barikha rupere, amar luito. Did you get any difference? Udar meghe jene dore or kola meghe jene dore, it's all same. But Bhupen Hazarika was very choosy. He has chosen only one word, Udar meghe jene dore. It's specific. That clouds don't discriminate. Clouds are for all, and both Meghalaya and Assam, we share the same cloud. This cloud of Cherapunji delivers rains in Brahmaputra. Next part.
মই কহিমারে আধুনিকা দালিমি মই গদা পানি ভঙ্গি ভয়ামর.
Okay. You will sing that song. So, in 60s, the Nagaland was burning. Pandit Nehru was alive. And he tried to negotiate with our Naga rebels, Naga brothers, but there was no taker. That exercise was not go down very well. It did not go down very well. Some of the Naga rebels, they came down to plains, and there was a big bombing incident in Difu and Lamding railway station. The bombing was followed by indiscriminate firing, and the Naga rebels have killed many people, many passengers traveling in trains. At that junction, the Assamese people were a little bit angry, and conflict between Naga brothers and Assamese people were become very sharp. The Naga people cannot come down to plains for marketing, shopping, or any other medical issues because they may be humiliated in plains at any point of time following those incidents in Lamding and Difu. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika wrote this song for plains people, for Assamese people, that look, we share a common history. Our Godapani was fled away to Nagaland, and he was fallen in love with Dalimi, a Naga lady. So we have a common history to share with Nagas. So he wrote, may I request? Kohimare. Second.
মই কহিমারে আধুনিক দালিমি মই গদা পানী আধুনিক ভয়ামৰ আমি আজি দুয়ো সহযাত্ৰী গুৱাহাটী অভিমুখী নিশাৰ ৰেলৰ মই কহিমাৰে আধুনিক দালিমি মই গদা পানী আধুনিক ভয়ামৰ আমি আজি দুয়ো সহযাত্ৰী গুৱাহাটী অভিমুখে নিশাৰ ৰেলৰ তোমাৰ হয়তো ঘনে পৰিছে মনত ল'ৰালিৰ কথা সেয়া যে খামা গাঁৱৰ ৰঙা নীলা পাখি পিনি পখিলাৰ দৰে নাচি ফুৰা কত মিঠা উৎসৱৰ পৰদেশ বুলি মোৰ ভয় লগা নাই তুমি এতো মোৰ ঘোলা নিচেই কাষৰ গুৱাহাটী পাই পিছে যেন কাহানিও নেপাহৰা দেশ মোৰ নগা পাহাৰৰ মই কহিমাৰে আধুনিক দালিমি মই গদা পানী আধুনিক ভয়ামৰ আমি আজি দুয়ো সহযাত্ৰী গুৱাহাটী অভিমুখে নিশাৰ ৰেলৰ
Thank you. That was Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, who always believed in eternal bonding and eternal solidarity of the Northeast people. Ladies and gentlemen, Arunachal was about to carve out, and state reorganization plans were finalized. Arunachal was given a union territory status and later a full-fledged state. When this plan was almost finalized, at that time, there was a big controversy over the state language. Which will be the state language, English, Assamese, or Hindi? The then working teachers of Arunachal, 90% of them were Assamese speaking teachers. And those teachers taught young Arunachali boys the Assamese language, and that's why the eminent writers like Yese, Dorje, Thongsi, Lumbe Ridai, all these people came out from Diden Nefa. Northeast Frontier Agency. The Assamese teachers were naturally very much in favor of Assamese as a state language. But the Union government was not in favor of Assamese. Union government wants that Hindi should be the state language for Arunachal. At that time, there was a conflict, and in Assamese intelligentsia, they become little bit of annoyed with the Arunachali society because they don't want Assamese as a state language. And that point of time, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was scared. And Bhupen Hazarika did not want any antagonism between Arunachalis and Assamese people. At that time, he has written this song,
Siangore galong lohitore khamti tira pore wangsue mokkiyo matise অসমীৰে পদুলি হুদুলি যে মুদুলি মৰম চেনেহৰে হাত বহিছে চিয়াঙৰে গালং লোহিতৰে খামতি তীৰা পৰে ৱাংচুৱে মকিয় মাতিছে আপাতানি ভনিতিক ধৰিলো খাবতি বেশ রূপে নীলে মোক আথে বেথে মাতি কলে আজি কিয় ৰঙৰে চকুলো ভৰিছে ও পাহাৰৰে তলিতে ভৈয়ামৰে হিমাতে চিনাকি চিনাকি কি সবা বহিছে.
he did not want any antagonism between Arunachalis and Assamese, and gave a clear message to Assamese people that look, Arunachal is the Poduli of Assam, and this Moram Sane should always continue between these two communities. He touched every community, he named every community in his song. Apatani, Galong, Idu, Misimi, all these communities were named in his song so that the Assamese people can understand their aspiration, the Arunachalis' aspiration, and Bhupen Hazarika's effort did not go in vain. Actually, it did work, and still Arunachalis remain our very good friends of Assamese people, and they have been also celebrating this centenary day of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, I shall be limited to only one aspect about the social harmony, and Dr. Bhupen Hazarika as a champion of social justice. When he went to Majuli, he saw in Jengraimukh area, he saw the good-looking, handsome missing boys and good-looking missing girls. He was very impressed, and he picked up one boy, namely Bikram Singh Yen. Bikram Singh Yen he picked up and offered him that Bikram Singh was requested by Bhupen Hazarika to join him in his film team, and he has chosen him as a principal actor of his upcoming movie. So Bikram Singh Yen thus became an actor, and at that time, while working with the missing people on this film, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika has written,
Bulu missing dekati বজালি যে পেপাতি বজালি যে পেপাতি হুরে রেখো জালি দেখো দিশাং মুখর নিখাতি হুরে রেখো জালি দেখুন দিশাং মুখর নিখাতি মিবুগা লুক সোলাতি পেরে রুম্বংসা দর্খন কিয়নু পিন্ধিলি মূৰত দেখোন দুমেৰি দি গামোচা তিলি আৰু তোৰে পুৰুষ দেহাতে ফুটি ফুটি উঠিছে সেউজ ৰঙৰ জিয়া জিয়া হয়নি তমতি বজালি যে পেপাতি বজালি যে পেপাতি হুরে রেখো জালি দেখো দিশাং মুখর নিখাতি
That was Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Whenever he goes, he went, everywhere he has created something. And Bhupen Hazarika has recorded it forever. That look, this is our history and this is the social reality of Assam.
রমজানরে রোজা গোল ও লালি দর্জুন সেনে ঘরে মেফিলতে বহে আজি কুন কুন বহে আজি কুন হাজির ঈদ মজলিসতে একে লগে বহিছে একে লগে বহিছে হাজির ঈদ মজলিসতে রহিম শাসাও বহিছে একে লগে বহিছে হাজির ঈদ মজলিসতে শ্রীরাম কুমারও বহিছে একে লগে বহিছে হাজির ঈদ মজলিসতে ফাতেমা পেহি বহিছে
একে লগে বহিছে
হাজির ঈদ মজলিসতে ফাতেমা পেহি বহিছে
একে লগে বহিছে
হাজির ঈদ মজলিসতে তোয়ার মোমাইতি বহিছে
একে লগে বহিছে
হাজির ঈদ মজলিসতে যে কপ খুরাও বহিছে
একে লগে বহিছে
ইনসানিয়াত লৈ মেহফিলত আমিও বহচোন ইনসানিয়াত লৈ মেহফিলত আমিও বহচোন আমার গাঁৱৰ আতা জানে পুৰণি কথা জানে
পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে
পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে সমরখন্দ বোখারার উমর খায়ামকো জানে
পুরনি কথা জানে
শাহেনশাহ আকবরর উদারতাও জানে
পুরনি কথা জানে
মোগল রাজপুত মিলি ছবি অকার কিসাও জানে
পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে
টিপু সিরাজদৌল্লার আজাদির লড়াই জানে
পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে
গান্ধীজির বুকু ভেদা গুলির কথাও জানে গুলির কথাও জানে গুলির কথাও জানে দুনিয়ার নাতি জবাহর শাসাকো জানে পুরনি কথা জানে পুরনি কথা জানে আজি ভারততে মুহব্বতর আমি হিসু আমি হিসু
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to the conclusion of my speech. Finally, after analyzing all those songs, only 5 or 4, and Dr. Bhupen Hazarika has written not less than 1,000. The final conclusion for all is that the Bhupen Hazarika was a great humanist. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was a great champion of social justice and a true nationalist in its real sense of the term. He did not believe in jingoism. So Dr. Hazarika, the future history and all generations will remember Dr. Hazarika as a true humanist and true committed India in its real sense of the term. So, with these words, paying my rich tribute to Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, I would like to conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful message.